Yo, what's up? This is Skimmerman. This is your review for Precursor Kainar from Oldie, and it's from the Chinese anime Asy-TAC Fronteer Kainar. This is a 1/100 scale kit, equivalent to master grade model kit. Let's go to articulation. The head can rotate like that. It's not 360 degrees, and the arms can rotate 360 degrees, but be careful because the ABS plastic of this is prone to having stress mark, and it can raise up to this far only because it's hindered with this shoulder armor here. Okay, so the elbows can bend double jointed up to this far. Yep. The hands are similar to the old master grade articulated hands, and the useless hands, but fortunately there's peg there where you can attach the weapon handle para mag-stick siya, tsaka hindi siya malaglag. The waist can rotate like that, and it can do some crunches but minimal. Okay, and the front skirts are on ball joint, but the front skirt are so stiff. Side skirt can raise up to this far, but be careful, it has some weak connection there. Back skirt, they are all ball joint also, like that. Okay. So the kit can kick up to this far, provided that you need to raise this up, raise the front skirt. But the front skirt are so stiff that I am so afraid to raise it up. Okay, so it can kick backwards like that, it can kick forward like that, and the legs can bend double jointed, and it has some gimmicks when opening or bending, but fuck, it's very stiff. I might break those pegs again. See, the peg is breaking up. Yep. That's the early releases for this Kainar model kit. The pegs are so brittle that I cannot play it well. And the feet can swivel like that. Also there, can do plantar extend, plantar flex, something like that. Also the toes can bend like that. Yep. And on these pockets here, we got the beam sabers. Yep. Just like your Gundam Dynamis thing, it has beam sabers there. Okay, so let's do some size comparison. This is your 18 centimeters model kit from Gundam. This 1/100 scale or master grade model kit. So they're about the same height of the master grades. Also this one, master grade model kits here. So it's taller than your Gundam ground type. And we got here Leisner 1/48 scale, so Leisner is taller. Then we got here Zegok. They're about the same height as the Zegok. So thank you so much for watching this review of 1/100 scale master grade equivalent of Kainar from Oldie, from Asy-TAC Fronteer Kainar. Bye, God bless, Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio.